Hi, fellow members. This is Coca-Cola Company Uganda. Uh, uh, this is our existing infrastructure architecture diagram. We are having 3 branches. One branch is called Imbarara branch, that is in the western part. We have another branch which is in central part, that is Kampala. Then we have the 3rd branch is in the northern part. Let's go look. Then in each and every branch, we have the following IT devices. Where in every branch we have a firewall and the security access just to control the traffic and limit the incoming and outgoing traffic. We have got surveillance cameras just for security purposes. Then we have the wireless controller. Then we have the network switch for networking connections. Then we have the computers that we normally use. We have our printers. Then we have our routers, which work as our gateway in case we want to access the public internet. Then the module that is going to help us solve our problem, because we want to increase on our network coverage, our storage coverage, because it's come to my notes that we're lacking storage for the case of our data. Therefore, contacting me as an IT technician, I just have to design mechanism of how to improve on that. And then instead of just buying the physical computers, other installation gadgets, we instead have to migrate to the cloud. And the service cloud that I advise this company to take is going to be called the IaaS, which refers to infrastructure as a service. And this is going to be beneficial to the company in that we may not need just to buy the real computers, but we're just going to use the computers which are virtual and deployed into the cloud by that service. And then the type of deployment model I advise this company is going to be the hybrid. Why am I choosing the hybrid is because we're having some sensitive files here, and that these sensitive files not be kept in the cloud. Those ones need to be retained into our own premises. And then the non-sensitive files and migrate them into the cloud. And doing this, we're employing our IT team in conjunction with the support staff from the company that's going to help us to migrate to the cloud. And then this company is using the original server and is giving us another CDN, that is the content delivery network, just in case the original server may be a little bit far away from our premises and a little bit inaccessible. Maybe the distance may be a little bit longer. So we are just going to contact the content delivery network around here. Then alternatively, if the network goes down, we are having a satellite dish, which is just going to connect us to the satellite, and then we access the internet if ours goes down. And then we're having also a DNS server around here, which is going to help us to resolve the name with IP addresses. And then we're kind of having some remote users. Then these ones are connected to our on-premise infrastructure, yes, via what we call the VPN here, which is the virtual private network. Then the provider for storage network, I've decided to take S3, that is Amazon. I'd recommend us to take the Amazon S3, which is referring to simple storage services. And this could be just because I've realized it is reliable, it is scalable, you can easily increase on our data and also scale down. Yes, we don't need. And then it is also cost effective. Thank you.